You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. A fairly new spelling, at least for this name, that derives from names such as Casey or Carson. So it's kind of a combination of different names, and it's pronounced in English as Kayson. That's the most common pronunciation. Do you pronounce it any differently? Let us know in the comment. Most common English pronunciation, how to pronounce Kayson. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.